inside has got the plant's embryo and the food for that embryo. Now, this seed is attached to the ovary, and what would be the fruit of the plant. And it gets attached right here where the indent is. So there's something, and it's so teeny tiny you can't see it, I'm going to point to the area, all right? So there's something called a hilum, H-I-L-U-M, that's where the seed is attached to the ovary. And then there's another thing called the micropyle, and that's where the pollen tube would carry the sperm down. Remember the pollen tube we talked about on corn plants and those yellow fibers on corn plants? Okay? Those are pollen tubes. So that's how the embryo would get the sperm, and it would get fertilized. So you might have a good nail. I don't have such great nails. So I'm going to use my dissecting needle, and I'm going to sort of poke it in sort of sideways. You can see it's kind of under the protective seed coat. This protective seed coat is called the testa. So I want to make a little hole in it without poking the seed itself, because I want to take the testa off. Okay? I'm going to try to take it off as completely as I can, and and not rip it to shreds. I'm going to try to keep it as whole as I can. So kind of like taking off its protective covering. So I'm easing the bean seed out, which is what I'm going to ask you to do. Come in here slowly. Okay? So this is the protective covering, or the testa. Now here, and you can see that the bean seeds start to come apart a little bit. So I'm going to sort of nudge it. It's in 2 halves. Again, I'll use my dissecting needle. Okay? So we have 2 halves there. And, oops. And inside, or sticking to one of them, here is the embryo, right here. And I'm actually going to take it away a little bit from the food source. Okay? So that right there, let me see if I can get real close to it. That's going to be the first 2 leaves of the plant. And this will be the stem and the roots. So what I'll ask you to do once you dissect your bean seed is you're going to label. You'll label the testa, okay, which is the seed coat, okay, and its protection for the embryo. These 2 are called the cotyledons. And these are the food for the embryo. Okay. And here my embryo came apart a little bit when I was taking it apart. But these are called the plumule. So this is the embryo here. The plumule, and that's going to be the first 2 leaves. And then there's 2 parts here. The upper part sticks out of the ground. Okay? So this is called the epicotyl. Epi is above. And below is the hypocotyl. So the epicotyl will be the stem, if it's a plant, or if it's green plant, or it could be the trunk if it's going to be a tree. And the hypocotyl is going to be the roots. All right?
This is the Bean Seed Lab. It's available on GertrudeKatzChronicle.com and Teachers Pay Teachers. If you found this video informative, please subscribe down below and also follow me on social media. Thanks so much.